the kitchen based on the lifestyle and the size of their home. When it comes to the kitchen interior designing, before focusing on the color suites and decorative features, it is important to get the flow of a space, positions of the appliances and the workspace, which is a comfortable and convenient to the user. So in these sessions we are going to cover up the mainly how to interact with the clients, ergonomics of a kitchens, workspace and their flow, types of the kitchens, all kitchens appliances, base cabinets, overhead cabinets, countertop materials, sink, and we are going to be focused on the old materials and their installations techniques. And finally, we are going to be discussed on the layout, in which we are going to be considered in a detail planning of the layout, how to divide the sections, how to fix the angles, how to divide the base cabinets, how to divide the overhead cabinets, how to plan the ceilings which is suitable according to our concepts and which is maintenance free also, how to fix the chimney, how to select and how to install the wall claddings materials, and mainly we are going to be focused on the plumbings and lightings of our kitchen designings.